Namaste. On behalf of Jnana Yoga Peetam, I would like to thank my friends, well wishers, and elders and subscribers, everyone by name. Happy Yoga Day. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj. Yuj means luck, addition, combination, meditation. Yoga means meeting with pleasure. Yoga is about meeting with the good, is to meet with knowledge. Yoga is about meeting the truth. Yoga is about meeting with happiness. Yoga means meeting with Dharma. The ultimate goal of yoga is to live happily ever after. A disciple approached the Guruji and bowed humbly, asked Gurudeva, how long you have been practicing this yoga? The Guruji said, Naina, that I have been practicing this yoga from 20 years. Then the disciple hesitation that the Guruji was knowingly. Then the Guruji again asked the disciple without hesitation, Naina, let me know what is in your mind. I will explain what I know. Disciple asked the Guruji, you had been practicing yoga from 20 years, and if you have any yoga darshanas? With a smile on his face, Guruji grasped the disciples' intuition and explained that Naina, darshanam means the one who remove the sorrow. Understand? Darshanam was to remove the sadness. The Guruji explains more details about darshanam. The life is a four pillars game. The first pillar is childhood. The second pillar is youth. The third pillar is middle age. Fourth pillar, old age. These four pillars should combined with four pillars of yoga. The four pillars yogas is the first pillar yoga is Shet Kriyas. The second pillar of yoga is asanas. The third pillar of yoga is pranayamas. The fourth pillar of yoga is mudras. Our life will be happy if we combined with the four pillars of yoga. We live happily away from sorrows in our life. Darshanam means to see your life happily by avoiding sorrows. The first pillar is childhood. Increased concentration by doing yoga pillar Shetkriyalo in childhood and living happily by applying what you learned in life. But nowadays students not doing Shetkriyas. They are studying only for exams and what they read they are not applying in their life. So, killing themselves in the middle of life. The second pillar may adolescence. Our elders have decided on some asanas to avoid stress under the influence of hormones in adolescence stage. Some of them are Utkatasana, Shirshasana, Paschimottanasana, Ramadandasanas, etc. By doing these asanas, the youthful virtue celibacy will live a happy life without being disturbed. But young people these days, there are many people who do not do these asanas and die in their youth for the sake of momentary happiness. And next, the third pillar is Malidesha. In doing so, one can happily visit Malidesha by doing pranayamas to fulfill family responsibilities and job responsibilities and not to be subjected to mental conflict. In the third pillar, Malidesha, many of them die without doing pranayamas due to the mental conflict of fulfilling family responsibilities and job responsibilities, always suffering from problems such as family responsibilities or job responsibilities. Next, the fourth pillar is old age. Wearing mudras in old age due to chanting, meditating, and remaining silent. The value in the family increases and our life becomes happier. Mudra means to be silent. Mudra means silent expressions. Nowadays, even in the fourth pillar, old age, these days also, there are so many people who die doing politics, spending time with TVs, doing frivolous affairs, panicking in the mind that no one respect me, that no one cares about me. Nowadays, even in old age also, respect cannot be gained by intimidation. It must be earned with goodness, unable to understand that. Please, silence is one greatest conversation. Please understand. Due to holding the mudra in fourth pillar of yoga in old age, your life will go on happily ever after. In these four pillars of life itself, we meet these four pillars of yoga so that we can live happily in our life without sorrow. Life itself is to live these four pillars of bliss in a momentary way, which means it is good to meet these four pillars of yoga. Your life will always be happier due to meeting with these four pillars. Please try to understand. You do Shitkriyas and asanas and pranayamas and mudras. Please understand, yoga means meeting with pleasure. Darshanam means living without sorrow. Sarve jana sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.